Hi everybody, Rachel from Current Body here. Welcome back to the wedding series. What I wanted to do was recap some of the devices that I introduced at the 12-week mark, at the 8-week mark, and a few other things that I am introducing at the 4-week mark where we are now. So going back to 12 weeks, we introduced the Silken Infinity, the IPL Hair Removal device that I'm using to treat my legs, my lower legs and my underarms. I had said I was going to start it on setting 5. I thought setting 5 was absolutely perfect for me. It's not, it's actually too high. So the Silken app is smart enough to be able to tell you, based on your skin colour and your hair colour, what is the correct setting for you. There's no need for you to be using the highest setting. The highest setting doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get the better type of result or it's more powerful. You need to use the correct level which is suitable for you. So you also will have seen me speak about my favourite Mia Fit and that I started using the new Radiance brush head. I do use it to take off my makeup, so you will see its colour has slightly changed due to the pigment in my foundation. I use it every day to take off my makeup, but what is really interesting was the time strip that I mentioned. You can see that it is slowly but surely starting to indicate that it's almost time to replace my brush head, which I thought was really smart. I've probably got 3 to 4 weeks left on this and then I'm going to replace it again. So if you remember, at the 8-week mark I introduced 2 of my anti-aging devices. I have the TriPollar Stop, a radio frequency device that I am using to treat my smile lines, the makings of my 11 lines, and just really improve the texture and appearance of my skin. And I also introduced the fantastic Nira skin. With TriPollar, I definitely am seeing results. With 4 weeks to go, I'm going to increase it to 3 treatments per week. That's just a personal choice for me. I really want to address my frown lines a little bit more, but what I am seeing is fantastic progress on my smile lines. With this before and after, it's a different kind of before and after. What I've done is put on my makeup. The one telltale sign for me is that I don't actually have it sinking into these creases when it comes to the end of the day. I'm not trying to smudge them out or reapply makeup, and for me it's a really encouraging indicator that it is softening and tackling those fine lines that were one of my concerns. The other device that we introduced at the 8-week mark is Nira Skin. It is really addressing the wrinkles that I have underneath my eyes. It is my pet hate, it's my problem area. I do it religiously every night, 1 minute per eye. One thing that you must be persistent with is making sure that you get the full 40 beeps under each eye, and the device does make a sound to let you know when you have reached that point. I'm using it on setting 1, so I'm really encouraged to keep going with this. As we've got the longer treatment devices well underway, it's 4 weeks to go and I am introducing TrophySkin. If you've got dull skin, if you've got textured skin, if you've got pigmentation, sunspots, clogged, congested skin, it's fantastic. What it does is it uses this little diamond tip with suction, and that suction is like a vacuum. Imagine like hoovering your face. It's the best way I can describe it. Some people do experience a little bit of redness, but for me that's a really good sign that it has worked. You have taken off all that layer of dead skin cells, dirt, pollution, all that bad stuff that is sort of sat on your skin. You're putting on your skincare, but you're kind of questioning why it's not working. The reason it's not working is because you've got layers of dead skin on your face. This is a really great entry-level device if you've never done microdermabrasion before. It's quite affordable. You can see results from the very first use. If you'd like to know more or you have any questions about the devices or the technologies that we're using as part of the wedding series, all the products are linked in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section, and you can follow us on social media too. Our handle is Current Body.